Hi, my name is Dome. I live in Bangkok and would like to share the way to buy SkyTrain ticket. I'm now in Victory Monument Station and it was a yellow circle here. Then I would like to go to Thai Station as it can connect to Podlink, and the number in the circle means the money that you need to pay. First, you choose your destination. Here is Thai that connect to Podlink, N2. Then you insert your coin for 16 baht. First 10 baht and 1 baht and last 5, totally 16 baht. After that you get your card and go to the ticket counter. Tap here and go. In this station, you need to go upstairs to use a train. Some trains, they did not update your station status. You need to concentrate to what the system say inside a train that quite low, or you may use Google Maps for real-time status. And keep in mind that subway cannot use Google Maps due to internet connection. Then you walk along the walkway until you go down and see Podlink sign. Then you return back and find the exit number 5. When you exit, you need to return your card. Just insert to a socket and go out. And exit number 5 or Podlink will locate on your right hand. Just go there. In case that you use a wrong train ticket, just go back to a ticket counter that located opposite of exit 5. Thank you for your watching, and if you have any question, don't forget to comment to ask me.